There, dailies. Well, here's a look at the fireworks outside my window from my neighbors across the street last night. These were fantastic. I couldn't even see the ones in the city. I did see some ones in the closer uh, proximity of another subdivision down the road a little bit, and I'll show them in a minute because I got drone footage of them. But these ones were from my window, so these were quite fantastic. So just enjoy these, and I'll get right back to you with the drone. Okay guys, I am back here now with the drone footage. You can see some right in the center of the screen, very small, couple bursts right there. That was from the downtown. I couldn't really get any more of it than that. It seemed to go so quick. But at the same time, I heard some off to my right, so I'm panning around to my right here. And the community that's sort of down next to ours, I think it was either Timberley or Tantallon. I'm not entirely sure. I'm pretty sure it was Timberley though, because I could hear them. And there's one couple going off right there. And let me just back up here, and you can see them going off. And that was about the extent of the fireworks, really, that I could capture all night long. Last year I had better fireworks. You could see them from downtown and in the Bedford area and whatnot. There just didn't seem to be too many going off at midnight. There was some going off at around 10 o'clock or so out around the lake that's across the street from me. And I probably should have ran out with the drone then, because there was several of them going off, and I could have got some really close footage like I did at the beginning of the video here through the window, but I could have got it with the drone. And I'm going to remember that next year to run out as soon as I can when I hear the first ones going off, because it was like one neighbor would set them off, then the next neighbor, then the next neighbor, all around the lake type of thing. So that was really cool. And maybe even next year we'll even get some of our own. I was thinking about getting some this year. It just didn't happen. I don't know why. It's one of those things that I didn't get around to picking some up this year, but I will for the next holiday, or definitely New Year's Eve next year. I suppose I could have even cheated and went down and stairs and got my projector light that's fireworks with the audio in it and put it on the side of the house, but that's kind of cheating for New Year's Eve, so I didn't want to do that. But you can see there's really not a lot of fireworks going off around the city there. There's the city more or less off to the center of the screen now and to the left, and you know, the Dartmouth side of the city there, but there's no fireworks going off. There really wasn't any downtown that much that was worth filming, I guess you could say. I put the drone up a little higher to see if I could capture more, but there just wasn't any. So I'm kind of disappointed in that, because I really thought there would be some downtown. There certainly was last year, and I got some real nice footage. Now there we go again. There's some more going off there, and it's out in the Timberley area. So I guess, you know, they were really celebrating it out in that area, more so than downtown. And you know, that's great. And what more can I say? Well, that about wraps it up, because I did do some more drone footage, but I was just searching for fireworks, and there really isn't anything there. So what's the sense of really looking at like a city skyline that's kind of boring in the night, I guess you could say. There's no fireworks. So anyway, I got what I could get, and that's about it. If you see the red tingy spots up the top of the screen, that is because I had the front lights of the drone turned on, just for safety reasons.